Hi there, this is Sheila. I just wanted to show you this process video of a waterfall card that I made. I will link below the process video from where I got this idea and where you can find the original video from Lyric Lover Crafts. But anyways, I will also put down below the dimensions of the Waterfall Trifold mini album. So you can see here, I'm cutting out the different panels that make up the waterfall, and then I'm scoring them, and then I'm adding score tape to each of the panels after I have scored them. So I am putting the score tape on the 1/2 inch top part, and that's where the panels will go in the middle section of the Trifold mini album. So you can see here I'm just kind of ordering the patterns and seeing which pattern I want to place down, and I'm just kind of spacing it out. And you can see I just laid each of the panels right on top of the other, and there are 12 panels in there, and they fit perfectly. Right here I'm making a wraparound band for the closure of the trifold, and I'm using some magnets. So basically I'm just cutting out a piece of cardstock and placing the magnet in between, on top of the cover and behind the wraparound. I'm just adding some decorative elements here to decorate the inside of the trifold. You can see I'm putting some journaling cards, some embellishments, some stickers, cardstock stickers. I wanted to use the journaling elements as kind of a prompt so that you can use that as a guide for things that you love about yourself, that you can put photos in or add journaling elements. On the right side of this panel, I wanted to put some empowering words. The words are things like blessed, beautiful, fierce, strong, and I basically added it on kind of like in a banner style, and I used adhesive dots, glue dots to adhere the chipboard stickers on there. And then I am finally using some more chipboard stickers and some cardstock stickers just to kind of put the final touches onto this album. This is what the final Waterfall Trifold mini album looks like. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.